Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. I'm Kanika Tandon and this is my third video of class 4th maths. In this video we'll complete our exercise number 1b because in last two videos we have completed exercise 1a and half of exercise 1b. And after today's video our chapter number 1 will be over. Also, before starting today's video, here is a revision test paper for whatever you have learned in these previous two videos. Everyone has to do these in their fair copies with the dates on the pages. So question number 1 of this revision test paper 1 is write in expanded form. This is of 2 marks, 3428 and 5060. Second question is write in ascending order. This is of 2 marks. Third is solve. In first question you have to add. Second question you have to add and subtract. In third question that is a simple double multiplication. And last one is divide. This is of 8 marks, 4 questions. Color to show the fraction. You can also use a pencil shading if you want. And if you want you can use color too. So you have to color half of the portion. And in second one you have to color 1/3 of the portion. Fill in. 3000 milliliter is equals to how many liters, and 1 week is equals to how many hours. It will be easy and better for you if you do the solution also right in front of it. And this is a request to the parents that whenever your child is doing this revision test paper, I request you to please sit beside him so that he or she cannot cheat from somewhere and do the question. Taking our video and our exercise number 1b forward, question number 6, change. You have to convert these into from hours to minutes, hours, days to hours, months to days. In fact, in my last video I have asked you to do it yourself, so for those who have already done it, in my next slide I'll show you one by one solution of these questions. So those who have already done may check from there, and those who have not done may understand and then do it in your fair copy all by yourself. Okay, so coming on sixth question number A part of sixth question. 2 hours 4 minutes into minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 2 hours is equals to 2 into 60, that is 120 minutes, and 2 hours 4 minutes is equals to 120 plus 4 minutes is equals to 124 minutes. Second, 5 days 15 hours 2 hours. So 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 5 days is equals to 24 into 4 into 5, that is 120 hours. And 120 plus 15 hours is equals to 135 hours. 6 months 10 days 2 days. I've already told you that 1 month, if we are if we are solving any question like this, 1 month is equals to 30 days. Universally we take 30 days, but if it is asked in the question that we have to talk about a particular month, that is January or February or March, we have to take proper number of days in that particular month. So 1 month is equals to 30 days. 6 months is equals to 6 into 30, that is 180 days. 6 months 10 days is equals to 180 plus 10, that is 190 days. Coming on to D part, 2 weeks 3 days is equal into days. So 1 week is equals to 7 days. 2 weeks is equals to 7 into 2, that is 14 days. 2 weeks 3 days is equals to 14 plus 3, that is 17 days. 4 liter 40 milliliter to milliliter. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. 4 liter is equals to 4 into 1000, that is 4000 milliliter, and 4000 milliliter plus 40 milliliter is equals to 4000 plus 40, that is 4040 milliliter. Coming to F, 2643 milliliter to liters and milliliters. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Now 2643 milliliters is equals to 2643 divided by 1000. So when we will divide 2643 by 1000, so 1000 twos are 2000 and remainder will be 643. So the quotient will be the liter and the remainder will be the milliliter. So 2 liter 643 milliliter. Coming on to F, we have already done. Coming on to G, 2 kg 500 grams to grams. So 1 kg is equals to 2000 grams. 2 kg is equals to 2 into 1000, that is 2000 grams. 2 kg 500 grams is equals to 2000 plus 500 gram, that will become 2500 gram. Coming on to H, 6255 gram to kilogram and gram. So it is same as F part. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. 6255 gram is equals to 6255 gram divided by 1000. So when we will divide it by 1000, 6 will be the quotient, because 6000 into 6 is equals to 6000, and 255 will be the remainder. So the quotient, that is 6, will become kilogram, and the remainder, that is 255 gram, that will become gram. So when we'll convert 6255 gram to kilograms and grams, the answer will be 6 kilogram and 255 gram. Coming on to last second portion of this exercise, last second part of the exercise. 8 meter 70 centimeter to centimeter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 8 meter is equals to 800 centimeter, and 8 meter 70 centimeter is equals to 800 plus 70, that will become 870 centimeter. Coming on to the last part of the question, 429 centimeter to meter and centimeter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 429 meters equals to 429 divided by 100. So 100 fours are 400, 29 will be the remainder. So 4 meter and 29 centimeter will be the answer. Coming on to the 7th question, that is find. This question has total 8 parts, and it is very easy. We have to add, subtract, multiply and divide. So first question is rupees 12.50 plus rupees 231. In this question, what you have to do, you'll write rupees and paisa like this, and 12, and this will be 231 and 00. When we will add, we'll write the correct answer, 3, 4 and 2. So it will be rupees 243 and 50 paisa. Similarly, question number B will be done. Question number C, rupees 89.75 minus rupees 37.50. So it is simple subtraction that you can easily do, same as question number D. 9000. Here also what you have to do, you have to write rupees in paisa like this, 9631, and there is no paisa, so we'll put 00. My subtracted 1470 and 50. This is simple subtraction, and I hope that you can all easily do it. Coming to E, 45 rupees 45 point rupees paisa 45.35 into 8. So this is also simple multiplication, and question number F is also will be done in the same way, and I hope that you will be able to multiply it yourself. Coming to question number D, question number G and H, division 693 rupees and 30 paisa. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, and there is nothing left. Coming to 30, 3 1s are 3 1 3 1s are 3, 0, we'll put a 0 here. So it will be rupees 231 and 10 paisa. I hope this is clear to you all, and it is easy for you to do it yourself. Coming on to the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8, 9, 10, 11 are word problems. So in my next slide you will find the solution of those questions. So question number 1 is, Mr. Elf had 2 kg of potatoes, 1 kg 500 gram of onions and 250 gram of spinach in his shopping bag. What was the total weight of the vegetables in his bag? So Mr. Elf had potato 2 kg and 0 gram, onions 1 kg and 500 gram and spinach 250 gram. So the total weight is, when we will add all these, so 750 gram and 3 kg is the 3 kg and 750 gram is the total weight in his bag. Question number 2, 9. Mohan went to a temple 45 kilometer 600 meter away. He travelled for 43 kilometer 500 meter by bus and then took a rickshaw. What distance did he travel by rickshaw? So the total distance that was covered was 45 kilometer and 600 meter, and the distance that he travelled by bus was 43 kilometer and 500 meter. So the remaining distance was travelled by him by a rickshaw. So we'll subtract. So it will become 2 kilometer and 100 meter was the distance that he travelled by rickshaw. Coming to question number 10. A shop sells 28 liter 150 ml of oil every day. How much oil does it sell in 6 days? This is easy. In one day they sell 28 liter and 150 milliliter. So in 6 days they'll sell, it will be multiplied by 6 and the answer will be 168 liter and 900 milliliter. Coming to 11th question. A tailor used 16 meter 80 centimeter of cloth to make 8 trousers of equal size. So how much total cloth he had? 16 meter 80 centimeter, and total 8 trousers he made of each size. All the 8 trousers that were made by the tailor was of same size. So what length of the cloth did he use to make each? So coming on to the solution of this question. Total cloth used was 16 meter and 880 centimeter. Trousers made were 8. So cloth used for each trousers is 16 meter 80 centimeter divided by 8. So 8 to the 16, that is 2 meter, and 8 tens are 80, that is 10 centimeter. So 2 meter and 10 centimeter will be the cloth that was used in making one trousers. Coming on to the last question of this exercise. This pictograph shows how the children of a class come to school. Look at it and fill in the blanks. So what they have done, there are 4 medium by which the students come. That is one is by car, by bus, by scooter and by rickshaw. And this figure denotes 4 children. So what we have to do, we have to count how many children comes by which vehicle. So by car, how many children comes? 4 plus 2, 6. By bus, 4, 4, 8, 4, 12, 4, 16 and 2, 18. By scooter, 4, 4, 8, 4, 12 and 14. By rickshaw, 4, 4, 8, 4, 12, 4, 16. Okay, so the number of students who come by rickshaw is 16 and by car is 6. The total number of children who come by bus is 18 and by scooter is 14. And the total number of children in the class is 54. How come this answer is 54? When we will add 6, 18, 14 and 16 together, the answer will be 54. So the total number of students in the class were 54. With this we have completed our exercise number 1B and chapter number 1. In my next video I'll come up with chapter number 2, that will be Roman numbers. That is an easy chapter and you'll understand it very easily. And for the homework, you have to do that revision test paper, first thing. Second thing, you have to do all of these questions in your notebook in a very fair and neat and clean handwriting. And practice these questions well. And I hope all the parents will come and sit beside the kids when they do this revision test paper. In my next video, I'll also give you the solutions of the revision test paper that I have given in this video. Till then, keep studying and take care of yourselves. Thank you.